Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in again. I'm going to be doing a full set on these nails today. I'm going to be showing you my process, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. To start her nail prep, I'm going to remove her cuticles using the cuticle bit and then using a fine sanding band to etch the surface of each nail. Once her nails are prepped, I'm going to be applying primer and a very thin layer of ultra clear acrylic to her natural nails. This layer of clear coat will be a base coat between her natural nail and any colored acrylic that I apply. Once I put her forms on, I'm going to start building the tips using clear, and then I will go in with my colored acrylic. Once the acrylic has dried a little bit, I'm going to use my pinching tool to pinch the nail. Once I'm finished applying my colored acrylic or glitter colored acrylic, I'm going to encapsulate each nail in ultra clear. Once her acrylic is completely dry, I'm going to be removing the forms from each nail and starting on the shaping process. To start my shaping process, I will be using an extra coarse sanding band, and not only will I be using it to shape the sides of the nails, but also to file down the bulk of the nails on top so that I can have an easier process when I'm filing with my 80 grit hand file. The 80 grit hand files that you see me using in this video can be found on my Amazon store, and the link is located in the description. Once I'm done shaping, I'm going to blend over the surface of each nail using a medium sanding band, and then I will be blending and sealing the cuticle with my comb bit. To finish the nails, I will be using a matte gel top coat and a shiny gel top coat. When I'm done, I will be moisturizing the nails with a body butter from Melanin Cosmetics and showing you the finished result. So here you guys go. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget that all of the colors and tools that you saw me using in this video can be found on ctones.com. Ctones is on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. God bless.